So let's see how you did on your individual work. Number 6, multiply, we're going to multiply the sum of 5 and 3. So sum of means I have to find the answer to an addition problem. So if I have to find the answer, I have to put that in parentheses. Okay? And then I also have to find another sum by the sum of 6 and 7. So again, it's addition, and I have to find the answer. If I have to find the answer, it is in parentheses. So it says multiply the sum of 5 and 3 by the sum of 6 and 7. So I'm going to multiply those two sums. Okay, so it should have been parenthesis 5 plus 3, parenthesis times, parenthesis 6 plus 7, parenthesis. Okay, number 7. Add 15, 21, and 6. Then, all right, so this tells us the order, so this has to be done first. So add, it's very simple. Add 15, 21, and 6. Since there's order, we have to do this first. So put it in parentheses. Then divide by 7. So remember, we can't enter a division symbol, so we have to put a slash. So divide by 7. Okay, here. 4 times the difference. So this is a answer to a subtraction problem. So the difference of 19 and 11. So the difference of 19 and 11, so 19 minus 11, that has to be done. So 4 times the difference, right? And now, some of you may have put this first in times, but it doesn't say the difference times 4. This is, if you would read this, it would be 4 times the difference of 19 and 11. All right, so divide 90 by 20. All right, well, let's just put a little slash there. 90 by 20. Then, there, so we got our order. Subtract the sum. So then subtract the sum of. So this means we got to do this first, 9 and 5. All right, so we've got 90 divided by 5. And then we're going to find the sum here. So that means it has to be in parentheses. 90 divided by 5. And we're going to subtract. Now, I like to put this in parentheses too, because it's divide, then subtract. So you have to get the division done before you subtract. Now, with order of operations, if it's written this way, left to right, you would divide first. But whenever I have an order word, a word that shows order, I like to make sure that I put that information in parentheses. Okay, so I'm dividing 90 by 5. Then I'm subtracting the sum of 9 and 5. And the last one, double. All right. Some of you may not have known this word. Double means times 2. Okay, so it's 2 times anything. Triple would be 3 times. A quadruple would be 4 times. All right. Most of the time, you're just going to have to deal with double or triple. Those are the common. All right. You won't have quadruple in most situations because they'll just come up here and tell you 4 times. But double is super common, and you need to know it's 2 times something. All right. So again, we've got the sum, so that means we're going to need parentheses. All right. sum of 7 and 8. So I can go, I'm just going to write down here close to the middle, sum of 7 and 8. Got my sum now. Then, another key word, divide by 10. All right. So 2 times, so double the sum of 7 and 8. I've got it in parentheses. Then divide by 10. All right. Now, to do this first before the then, you would have a bracket. All right. So now I have 2 times or double the sum of 7 and 8. That has to be done because then I'm going to divide by 10. And that is what brackets and braces are used for. All right. Hope you did well.